on my first call, on my first 90 days or first 60 days. I came from California. I went to a big meeting. I already got some testimonials right away after that first talk to distributors when I went to the big meeting. Okay, so I spoke to some people who were drinking the water and who had good results. And again, I always use, when you're beginning, you always use your upline or your upline's story. People buy stories, you know. Don't try to speak theoretical, because some people would speak theoretical about chemistry and alkaline and ionize. You know? Tell stories instead. Same thing with the opportunity. Tell the stories. In my case, my story was my friend who invited me to California, who is my upline. Like, I don't know what that business is. Like I just learned that, like, he made this much money when I was there. And if he could do it, I could do it too, because this guy used to sell with me in another company, and I know he's broke and he had no money, and now he's got money. You know? So I, I, I told the success of my upline until you get your own story. Don't wait until you have your own story, because that's going to take some time. Tell the story, master the art of telling the story of your uplines. And right now, there's so many stories, you know. When I was beginning, there was no other story than my personal upline. That's one person. Today, you could tell so many stories. So get 10 stories, you know. Depending on who you're talking to, that's the story you tell. If a person is a nurse, then tell a nurse story. Like, I have a downline who is a nurse who said he was working here in New York for like 30 something years, and she still had no money, and she joined me in the business, became a 6A. Next thing I know, she drove in front of my house with a white BMW. As she quit her being a nurse, went to the Philippines, built her house from the money she earned from this business. I flew to the Philippines and I looked at her house and I took picture. This is the nurse I recruited, you know, who could not. He said she could not build a house for her retirement after working here in New York for 30 years. She did this part-time and she was able to build a house. So she quit her job. Now she's enjoying her retirement in the Philippines. She's a dust too, I think. I see her. She's always in the gym, you know, and eating at the restaurant, receiving her override from the group she built in America.
Um,
Okay.
okay.